Where have the times gone, baby? It's so